Good morning. This is TS Film. We're proud to introduce a new product which is called a gallery wrap. It looks very nice. As you can see, it does the wraparound. Very nice, whether it's a paper laminated product or whether it's textile like canvas. It looks beautiful. Very easy to do. And in equipment, you need a knife and maybe a hammer, and that's about the size of it. So we have our print here, which will be taken care of in a few minutes. Secondly, what we have to do is put these stretcher bars in the corners here, so we're sure that we've got it very straight, very square. So we just peel off our stretchers, we push it in the corners so it looks very nice. Just peeling it off here. Here we go. So as you can see, very simple. There's no complication. It's not complicated at all. Then secondly, what we take is our print face down. We just clean it off to be sure, just wipe it off. Then we flip our frame upside down so the adhesive will be facing down. But since it's really in the corners, it's not touching the image at all, so we can move this around very freely. So we can assure ourselves that we are straight and centered. Once that is done, we only have to press on them. So now the stretcher bar are on the image, they're glued on, so there's no problem at all. The equipment we need is just a knife. So we do a bit of a round fashion here in the corners, and then we just cut very close to the stretcher bar. So at that moment, we don't need additional equipment like rulers or whatever. We're sure to be really straight. This looks beautiful, and it's an added product that you'll be having because a lot of clients will be happy to use this to hang this up in their house. Now what I have to do is go in the corners and just cut a 45-degree angle, just so that we'll be able to fold our corners very neatly. So once this is done, we just flip the corners, and they're sticking on the sides of my stretcher bars. So we'll have some beautiful corners. We won't see any whites. It'll be the side of the image. Now what we have to do, it looks like a staple. So this is the fastener that we'll be putting inside. What we have to do is bring the corners together, and there's really a small slot that we'll be able to bring that down or just slide it in. Here we go. It's inside. So once again, I just do my corner, come in with the staple and just do it. Slide it in again, last corner, it's all ready together. So I just take or a hammer, or I'll take my small piece of wood here and just slide it in or bang it in without going too strongly naturally. So this is nearly done. It's already there, but we wanted this to be very tight and to remain very tight. So we will stretch our corners just a tad more so it will remain beautiful for a long time. So whether it's landscaping, portrait, or whatever, or even maps, this looks beautiful. It's easy to do. So at TAS Films, we're proud to introduce it, and I'm sure you'll enjoy it. So if there's any question, just give us a call. Thank you.